Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage users in your Slack workspace on the free plan. First, click your workspace name in the top left corner and go to Settings and Administration. Then, select Manage Members. Here you'll see everyone in your workspace. To invite new members, click Invite People and enter their email addresses to change someone's role. Find their name in the list and click on it. You can make them a workspace owner, administrator, or a member depending on what permissions they need. If you need to remove someone, find their name, click the three dots next to it, and select Deactivate Account. You can also see which channels each member is in by clicking on their profile in the members list. Remember, the free plan has a limit on how many messages you can view, but you can have unlimited members. And that's it. You now know how to manage your team members in Slack's free plan. If this helps you organize your workspace better, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.